Israeli strikes in Lebanon killed at least 20 people on Saturday, according to Lebanon's state news agency, just one day after a ceasefire between Israel and Hezbollah took effect. Israel said the strikes were carried out in response to overnight projectile fire from Hezbollah. An Israeli military official said the group launched more than 50 projectiles at Israeli forces in southern Lebanon, prompting attacks on what Israel described as Hezbollah targets. Lebanon's national news agency reported that Israeli warplanes and drones struck multiple locations in southern Lebanon and the Bekaa Valley. Hezbollah accused Israel of carrying out hundreds of ceasefire violations and warned that continued attacks would not go unanswered. The group also called on Washington to pressure Israel to stop its attacks. An Israeli military official said the military had received updated directives to cease fire and was not conducting proactive strikes but was operating defensively within what Israel calls a security zone. The official added that 5 Israeli soldiers had been killed by Hezbollah in southern Lebanon over the previous 48 hours. The Israeli military said Hezbollah's attacks were repeated violations of the ceasefire agreement and stated that it remained committed to the truce while responding to attacks on Israeli civilians or troops. Hezbollah also said it remained committed to the ceasefire but would respond to any attempt by Israel to seize territory or expand its occupation. The group said Israeli forces had attempted to infiltrate the Ali al Tahrir Hill area in southern Lebanon overnight, leading to clashes before Israeli airstrikes followed. A senior Hezbollah official said the group would not allow Israel what he called freedom of movement in occupied Lebanese territory and said armed resistance remained legitimate as long as Israeli forces stayed in Lebanon. The renewed violence has raised questions about the durability of both the ceasefire and the broader US-Iran understanding announced this week, which includes a halt to military operations by parties and their allies across several fronts, including Lebanon. One of the deadliest Israeli strikes hit a 3-story residential building in the southern town of Barish, killing a father, mother, and their 2 children, according to a local official. The Lebanese army said another Israeli strike killed a soldier on the Kafaruman Nabatea road. Lebanon's national news agency also reported that an Israeli airstrike destroyed the Nabatea branch of Lebanon's central bank. The central bank said the strike caused material damage but no casualties. Lebanon's health ministry says 4,057 people have been killed in Israeli attacks since March 2nd, including medics, women, and children. Israeli authorities say at least 32 soldiers and 4 civilians have been killed in fighting with Hezbollah.